Hello viewer. Welcome to HKR Trainings YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about Golang, a popular programming language developed by Google. Although there are many languages in the market, why was Golang created? What's the speciality of Golang? In this video let us learn about what is Golang, why was Golang created, features of Golang, applications of Golang, and career opportunities with Golang. But before we proceed, remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Are you curious to know about Golang? Then let's get started with the topic. What is Golang? Golang, also called Go, is an open-source, statically typed programming language built for designing simple, reliable and efficient applications. Golang was developed by Google in 2007 and was released in the year 2009. It is a simple, efficient and easy-to-learn programming language, and a popular choice for developing scalable network services, web applications and command-line tools. Why was Golang created? While working with other programming languages like C++ and Java for their system programming needs, Google faced a number of problems like slow compile times, poor support for concurrent programming and inefficient garbage collection. So to address these issues, Google created Golang as a new programming language. Golang was developed to offer Google a better language for building large-scale software systems that are efficient, reliable and easy to maintain. From the beginning of its release, Golang has gained a huge popularity among developers across the world, and now it is used by a number of countries and organizations for a variety of applications. Features of Golang. There are several features that make Golang an attractive language for developers. Some of them are simple and easy to learn syntax. Golang syntax is easy to read and write, so it is an ideal choice for the beginners to learn. Faster compile time. Golang has a compiler that is optimized for speed, so it takes less time to compile code than the other programming languages, making it easy for the developers to test and debug the code. Efficient garbage collection. Golang's garbage collector is designed in such a way that it doesn't consume a lot of CPU time. It automatically frees up the memory that is no longer being used, so developers need not worry about memory management. Concurrency. Golang has a built-in support for concurrency, so developers can write the code that runs multiple tasks simultaneously. Cross-platform compatibility. Golang has a compiler that can generate machine code that can run on different operating systems. So using Golang, developers can write code and can run it on different operating systems. Built-in testing support. Developers can write and test the code very easily with Golang's built-in testing support. Strong standard library. Golang has a strong standard library that offers a range of packages for common programming tasks. These packages include the support for cryptography, network programming, file I/O and many more. Golang's standard library was designed to be easy to use and avoids the need for developers to rely on third-party libraries. Applications of Golang. Golang is used in a wide range of applications. Let us go through some of the applications of Golang. System programming. Golang is great for system programming like building operating systems, low-level libraries and network protocols. Memory management and efficient garbage collection in Golang makes it the best choice for these applications. Web development. Go is used for web development, mainly for developing web servers and back-end services. Built-in support for concurrency and fast compile times of Golang make it well suited for developing high-performance web applications, which can handle a large number of requests. DevOps. Golang can be used for DevOps automation like building command-line tools, containerization and deployment automation. Features of Golang like fast compile times, cross-compilation and statistic linking makes it an ideal choice for building small, portable and efficient binaries. Cloud computing. Golang is also used for cloud computing and building microservices. Built-in concurrency support and efficient memory usage of Golang makes it appropriate for building scalable and distributed systems which can handle high traffic loads. Machine learning. Golang can be used for building models and tools which handle large data sets. Golang's simple syntax and execution speed makes it an ideal choice for building some type of machine learning applications. Career with Golang. As Golang's popularity is increasing, it is now being used by a number of companies across the world for building a variety of applications. As a result, the number of job opportunities for Golang developers are increasing. In India, average salary for a Golang developer is 7 lakh rupees per annum. While an experienced professional can earn even more based on the experience and location. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this video has given you a complete idea on what is Golang. Give us a thumbs up, and do share this video with your friends. If you are watching the videos for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to our HKR Trainings YouTube channel. To receive notifications about upcoming videos, hit the bell icon. Follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and blogs. Curious about Golang? Visit www.hkrtrainings.com and advance your career.